In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PayPal QR code, full 2024 guide. This is a quick way to let people pay you without sharing your email or phone number. All you need is the PayPal app on your phone and a couple of taps. Start by opening the PayPal app. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date so the QR features appear as expected. A stable internet connection helps the QR code load right away. On the main screen, look toward the top right for the small QR icon. It usually looks like a little square with corners. Go ahead and tap that. This opens PayPal's QR section, where you'll see an option labeled Your Code, or, on some accounts, Seller QR Code. Don't worry about the label. Both lead to the same place, your unique code that others can scan to send you money. Tap the option to view your QR code. It will open up clearly on your screen, ready to use. This code is linked to your PayPal account, so anyone who scans it will be directed to pay you securely through PayPal. If you're accepting payments in person, you can simply hold your phone up and let the other person scan it. Good lighting and a clean screen help the scanner pick it up faster. If you want to save your QR code, look for the Save or Download option and add it to your camera roll. Your phone may ask for permission to save images. Just allow it. If you don't see a Save button, taking a screenshot is a simple fallback. Saving the code means you can share it later in messages, add it to a flyer, or keep it handy for events. If you plan to display it publicly, consider where you share it and who can access it, since anyone with the code can initiate a payment request to you. When someone scans your code, they'll be prompted in the PayPal app to complete the payment. They'll see your display name, enter an amount, and confirm. You'll get a notification once it's sent, and the payment will show up in your activity as usual. Standard PayPal terms and any applicable fees still apply, just like with other payments. That's all there is to it. Open the PayPal app, tap the QR icon, choose your code or seller QR code, view it, and either show it on your screen or save it to your camera roll. It's a simple, reliable way to accept money quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to use your PayPal QR code with confidence.